Hey there, I'm now gonna solve the Find Me challenge on PicoCTF. So it basically, I just started an instance and you guys can see that I've already solved it once, so I'm gonna show you the process that I used. So the website is running here. However, I'm gonna take this website and open it in a Burp Suits Chromium for any sort of testing and intercepting. But before that, let's have a look at what the assignment suggests. Okay, the website is being opened here. So the first tune that we get is if there is any redirections, and it gives us a username and password as test slash. So we can enter that test and test exclamation mark. Before anything, I'm gonna try to intercept it to see if everything is okay here. So it basically passes a username called test and a password. So it's basically nothing too much going on here, so I'm going to forward it. And we get a next page with some sort of an ID, which we will be using later, but however, I'm going to be forwarding it for this. We also get another ID here, which is most probably coded in base 64, as we can tell from the equal signs. And let me forward it. And we have a flag running here, but we don't really have anything interesting in the request, so we will be checking the response shortly. So we found this website from that, which is called Our Bank, and it says that we need to help this guy find some flags. So the last few requests here, okay, so we initially just logged in. We had a get request which showed us the sign up form, then this where it was a 404 failure, and then this HP200 OK. A lot of languages, and then login. In the login part we have this ID which will be useful very soon, and we also have another ID here being sent. So let us just play around, and if we just come here and look for anything inside the side, we will see that, okay, the intercept is on. I'm just going to turn it off for now. There is not much interesting things here. It basically uses a search thing, a keyword which is being inputted onto the search field that we just had, and but nothing really related to the flags. So how I solved this after some attempts was I realized that the IDs that were being sent here were encrypted, so I tried decrypting it. So this was one of the IDs, and I went to decoder, and then boom, decode as base 64. So this looks like it's part of some flag, because PicoCTF flags do look like this to some extent. So let us see if there was another one. Yes, we just found the other ID. So let's decrypt this and see what we get. We go to decoder, and I'm just going to skip to the end because this is basically a two-part ID, and if I add the first part here, we get the flag called proxies all the way. And that's the end of the challenge. Thank you. I'm going to submit it here, and it will be accepted.